In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create Salesforce account. First, open your web browser and go to the official Salesforce website at salesforce.com. Once you're on the home page, tap on the Start Free Trial button. Next, you'll be taken to a sign up page where you'll need to enter some details. Start by entering your name, email address and company name. Make sure your email is correct as Salesforce will send you a confirmation email to verify your account. So I have filled in all my details here. We just need to tap on Start Free Trial button. Once we tap on it, then we'll see this page. Here we need to verify our email address. For that, go to your Gmail inbox and open this Salesforce email you received on your account. Here we need to tap on verify account and then we need to reset our password. So I just need to tap on reset password here and then we'll be able to change our password. So I want to change my password to this. Then change your password to new password. Make sure your password contains 8 characters, 1 letter and 1 number. Once you confirm your password, answer the security question and tap on change password. Then it will ask you some question, answer those questions and then you will be redirected to the Salesforce dashboard. And this was the process to create your account. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.